What are you doing? Oh, just looking at my reflection. Oh, it's really cool. Want to see? Why are you doing this? This is boring. No, it isn't. I call it it seems fun. I don't know why you're doing that. Yeah, me too. Okay, I'm going to be your guys' host. Goldie. Locks. Hey, don't use my name like that. It's rude and uncalled for. Maybe I should just eliminate you. Oh, you weren't joking. Yeah. Now, is everybody here? Hello, I asked if everybody's here. Hey, dog, get off your phone. Okay, now let's start the intro. Okay, now let's start the contest. We can't start the contest. We didn't even pick teams yet. Hey, stop being rude. Oh, yeah. Like she said, we didn't pick teams yet. We need to pick. Yeah, we need to pick teams. So guys, get into your teams right now. Hey, everybody. Get into my team. Well, except for a few people. Okay. I can't be here. There's too many people. Okay, now let's name our team. The Armless Crew. Oh, okay, let's name our team Let's Be Light. Okay, now everybody's got the teams. Now let's start the contest. Please don't tell me that's it. Yeah, it's sour. I can't eat it. Just eat it. Stop being a wuss. Just eat it. Just eat it. Like, oh, okay. Yay, gummies. I love gummies. They're my favorite snack. Oh, yay, you made our team win. What? I thought the other team needed to eat. Well, Boy's allergic and Candle already ate one and threw up. But we don't talk about him. So we technically won. Vote for who you want to be eliminated. Whoever gets the most votes will be eliminated. But you made a team lose. Your worst teammate. What is her deal? I have no idea. Okay, here's some notes if you wanna know some things.